The WEN 33606 6.6 amp variable speed orbital jigsaw is a powerful and reliable tool that is ideal for woodworking projects of all sizes. With its robust 6.6 amp motor, this jigsaw delivers impressive cutting power, making it capable of slicing through a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastics. The variable speed control allows users to adjust the cutting speed between 0 to 3,300 strokes per minute, ensuring precise cuts tailored to the specific material and project at hand. This model also features an orbital selection knob, which provides additional cutting versatility by adjusting the movement of the blade for smoother, more aggressive cuts. One of the standout features of the WEN 33606 is its built-in laser guide and LED light, which work together to enhance cutting accuracy. The laser projects a clear line on the workpiece, helping users follow their intended cutting path with ease, while the LED light illuminates the work area, ensuring visibility even in low-light conditions. This jigsaw's ergonomic design, complete with a soft grip handle, ensures comfortable operation, reducing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the tool-free blade change system makes it easy to switch blades quickly, increasing efficiency. For woodworking enthusiasts, the WEN 33606 is considered one of the best jigsaws for woodworking, due to its combination of power, precision, and user-friendly features. To achieve optimal results and ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to use the appropriate blade for the material being cut, and to regularly maintain the jigsaw by cleaning the laser guide and LED light to keep them functioning effectively. Moreover, adjusting the orbital settings and speed to match the specific task will help in producing clean and accurate cuts, making this jigsaw a valuable addition to any workshop. The Soro Jigsaw is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the needs of woodworking enthusiasts, offering a combination of precision, control, and durability. With a 5.0 amp motor, this jigsaw delivers a speed range of 800 to 3,000 strokes per minute, making it capable of cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. The 6 variable speed settings allow users to adjust the cutting speed to suit the material and the specific requirements of the project, ensuring precise and clean cuts every time. The jigsaw also features a 0-degree or 45-degree bevel cutting capability, enabling angled cuts that add versatility to your woodworking projects. One of the key highlights of the Soro Jigsaw is its 4 orbital settings, which provide additional control over the cutting motion. This feature allows users to switch between aggressive and smooth cuts, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from intricate curves to straight cuts through thick materials. The included scale ruler adds to the tool's precision, ensuring that each cut is accurately measured. Additionally, the tool-free blade change system simplifies the process of switching blades, saving time and effort during projects. The ergonomic design, complete with a comfortable grip, ensures that the jigsaw is easy to handle, even during extended periods of use. For woodworking enthusiasts, the Soro Jigsaw stands out as one of the best jigsaws for woodworking, due to its combination of power, precision, and user-friendly features. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to use the appropriate blade for each material and to adjust the orbital settings and speed to match the specific task. Regular maintenance, such as keeping the jigsaw clean and checking the blade alignment, will also help in maintaining optimal performance. With its powerful motor, adjustable settings, and precision, the Hiltop 6.7A Jigsaw is a robust and versatile tool engineered to meet the demands of serious woodworking projects. Powered by a 6.7 amp pure copper motor, this jigsaw delivers reliable and powerful performance, with a speed range of 800 to 3,000 strokes per minute. The 6 variable speed settings allow users to tailor the cutting speed to the material at hand, ensuring precise and clean cuts in wood, metal, and plastic. Its 4 orbital settings further enhance cutting versatility, enabling both smooth and aggressive cuts depending on the task. This makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications, from intricate woodworking to more demanding cutting tasks. One of the standout features of the Hiltop Jigsaw is its laser guide, which ensures precise cutting by projecting a clear, visible line on the workpiece. This, combined with the tool's bevel cutting capability of up to 45 degrees, allows for accurate angled cuts and complex shapes, enhancing the jigsaw's utility in detailed woodworking projects. The inclusion of 6 high-quality blades, suitable for various materials, ensures that you are equipped to tackle different jobs right out of the box. Additionally, the Jigsaw's ergonomic design, with a soft grip handle, ensures comfort during prolonged use, reducing hand fatigue and improving control. For woodworking enthusiasts, the Hiltop Jigsaw is among the best jigsaws for woodworking, due to its combination of power, precision, and user-friendly features. To achieve the best results and ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to select the appropriate blade for the material being cut and to use the correct orbital setting for the task. Regularly cleaning the laser guide and keeping the tool well maintained will help ensure accurate cuts and extend the life of the jigsaw. With its powerful motor, variable speed control, and the Greenworks 24V brushless jigsaw is a high-performance cordless tool designed for those who demand precision and power in their woodworking projects. Powered by a 24V lithium-ion battery and equipped with a brushless motor, this jigsaw delivers consistent and efficient performance, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The brushless motor not only provides more power, but also extends the tool's lifespan, ensuring that it can handle even the most demanding tasks. The jigsaw comes with 6 blades, including 4 specifically designed for woodworking and 2 for cutting metal, giving you the versatility to tackle a wide range of materials with ease. The cordless design of the Greenworks Jigsaw offers unmatched mobility, allowing you to work freely without the constraints of power cords. The jigsaw's ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it comfortable to use even during extended periods, reducing hand fatigue and improving overall control. Additionally, the tool-free blade change system makes switching between blades quick and effortless, enhancing efficiency on the job. The 24V battery is compatible with other Greenworks tools, offering the convenience of a shared power source across multiple devices, which is especially useful for those invested in the Greenworks ecosystem. For woodworking enthusiasts, the Greenworks 24V brushless jigsaw stands out as one of the best jigsaws for woodworking, due to its combination of power, precision, and versatility. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to use the appropriate blade for each material and to regularly check the battery charge to avoid interruptions during your projects. Proper maintenance, such as cleaning the tool and keeping the blades sharp, will also help maintain the jigsaw's performance over time. With its cordless convenience, powerful motor, and user-friendly features, the Greenworks 24V brushless jigsaw,
the Works WX543L 20V PowerShare cordless jigsaw is a versatile and powerful tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, this cordless jigsaw offers the freedom to move around without the limitations of cords, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. The WX543L features a variable speed control that allows you to adjust the cutting speed to suit the material, ensuring precise and clean cuts every time. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with an ergonomic handle, provides superior control and comfort during extended use. Additionally, the tool-free blade change system makes switching between blades quick and effortless, enhancing efficiency on the job. For those looking to achieve the best results in their woodworking projects, the Works WX543L stands out as the best jigsaw for woodworking. Its orbital action enables more aggressive cuts, allowing you to tackle a variety of materials, from softwood to tougher hardwoods. The built-in dust blower keeps your cutting line clear of debris, ensuring accuracy and reducing the need for rework. The jigsaw's compatibility with the Works PowerShare platform means you can use the same 20V battery across multiple Works tools, maximizing your investment. With its blend of power, precision, and convenience, the Works WX543L is an excellent choice for anyone serious about woodworking. For customer satisfaction, users should ensure they use the correct blade type for each material